waters roaring, but the sand is silent. No ship in sight, no enemy fire. No need to rescue my tired mind. Treasure the life you're living underneath the sheltering sky. Bountiful oceans bringing food right to the shores you ride. The night sky features a spectacle of lights, blanket of trust in the next day's life. Sirens are mute and the trees don't cry. My diary's empty, there's nothing left to write. Is that here and now the ocean feeds me and I drink to the clouds. No sense imagining, no reason denying. Life is that thrill between earth and